Hello guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. So, I had all these plans that just didn't work out because of COVID, because of the state of the world. So, anyway, good news is I got my Fab Fit Fun Box for summer and I cannot wait to crack it open, so let's do it. Woo! Okay, let's jump right into it, shall we? First of all, this Fab Fit Fun Box is the biggest box I've ever gotten. Look at this sucker. They're usually like, woo! This thing is huge. Hi. Ready? You ready? Ooh, let's crack it open. Okay. Let me get my knife out. While I'm doing this, Fab Fit Fun Box, I am an annual or select member, so I get to pick pretty much everything that was in my box. I think, I have a couple add-ons in there, little things I threw in the box. But I think this is the biggest, most expensive box they've ever given us. My box, I've said box a lot. Typically the boxes, the subscriptions on average are like $200-300 worth of product. My box this time was worth $485. Yeah. I think the sun is going down. Oh, that's just gonna give me lines. There you go. Yeah, so yeah, let's get into it. Our first thing that I actually picked out. Now, they did end up throwing in 3 items into the box that I did not pick. So I guess that's just kind of, you pick most of it and then they surprise more stuff. Okay. Anyway, the first item I'll talk about is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Now, this I was excited about because, as you can see, I'm having a little bit of problem here. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. The next thing I got was the HydroPeptide Moisture Reset. Let's see. I have my window open right now, so shiny box. This thing is huge. Woo! Let's see. A lot of stuff in there. Ugh. Oh my god. Ah! I don't have a place to put it. It's too big. Okay. As always, they give you a okay, so this whole time they usually do Hello Chef. This time they gave me Green Chef. And Green Chef does keto meals, so I'm excited about that. That's awesome. Okay, moving on. And as usual, they give you the magazine. And the magazine has the breakdown of all the products you get, what your options were, how much everything costs. Yeah. Hit my face with it. And then we have, oh, hello, Bright Cellars Wine. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Oh yeah. Alright. So, the other stuff was just outside the box. I don't know if they forgot to put it in here. There's plenty of room in here. Okay. So, I got the L Space Beach Towel, which is really pretty. The next thing I got was, oh, the Michael Kors. You heard that correctly. A Michael Kors travel wallet. You guys, I don't own anything Michael Kors, but I do now. We're gonna open this up because you guys, Michael Kors. This is so nice. Okay, look at this. Look at that. You guys. Oh my gosh, if they ever open up travel again, woo, woo, woo. I have a Michael Kors thing. Are you kidding me? I have a Michael Kors wallet. Just. Oh, that's exciting. Okay. I can see why this is so expensive now. Moving on. Woo. The next thing I got was the Drybar Prep Rally Detangler Spray. Let's see if it focuses. Okay. The next thing I got was the Terre Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. I'm excited about that. I can definitely use some healing on my face. That is this guy right there. Oh, and it's a glass bottle. The next item is the Grace&Stella Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid, which I'm excited about. And then the three things that they threw in my box that I did not pick, but still good products, I'm excited about it, was the Winky Luxe Uni-Brow pencil, so that's cool. And then the Calli Cosmetics foot cream. That, which I also need because my feet get dry in the summertime. And then finally, the hand cream by Spongellé, Coconut Verbena. I'm doing this in front of my window. I don't know if I said that already. Okay, and then, so that's everything that came in my box. And then we'll move on to my add-ons because I needed add-ons. So, they offered something called a box boost, which was hand sanitizer and 3 masks. So I haven't taken them out yet, but that's pretty awesome. Especially in the world we live in right now. Nice to have. And then, because your girl needs some socks. I'm not much of a sandal wearer in the summertime. I mean, I'll wear sandals, but I'm not like all the time. Let me get these out. I added on K-Bell no-show socks for like $7, so that was pretty awesome. They're super cute. Love them. And then last but not least, I bought 2 Spongellé, I think I'm saying that right, Spongellé beach grass infused sponges. One for me, one for my mama. So these are really cool. If you've never tried these before, they're actually infused with the soap. So you can use it, I think, 14 times. Looks like that. It gets soft. Oh, it smells good. I figured this would be nice for the beach, or, you know, when you don't want to drag your soaps out to the beach, or you're on vacation. And again, this is very nice. So that is my box. Yeah, that was a lot of stuff. Dude, you guys, this was a huge expensive box. A Michael Kors travel wallet. Are you kidding me? This is awesome. I encourage you guys to sign up if you haven't already. At least try it once. If you don't like it, it's not a big deal. Also, quick tip, if you do sign up, pay attention to your emails if you do sign up, because they will tell you when your customization days are, when you can pick everything that comes in your box, when you can do your add-ons. And the quicker you are at it, the better chances you get exactly what you want. And the select members who buy the whole entire year in advance, we get to pick a couple, I think, a week early, and we get other stuff that the regular members don't get. So definitely something to check out if you're interested. A lot of cool products. I'm excited to try these, and like I do always, I will try everything and let you know in a week or so how I like them, how it goes, and yeah. And always, guys, in the description box down below, I will put the link for your $10 off your first subscription. So go check it out if you haven't already. It's pretty cool stuff. I really do like this company. I think they really have good values in mind, a lot of good products, and yeah. So if you've made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Crazy Ashes. And yeah, thanks guys. I hope to put out more content. We'll see what happens. I really do miss it. Yeah, so we'll see. I hope to incorporate some more travel. Like I said, everything I wanted to do got canceled this year so far. So, yeah. I also want to incorporate maybe some ghost hunting videos. So we'll see. I'm excited. Hopefully everything works out. If it does, you will see more of me. And if it doesn't, hopefully next year will be a little bit better, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I hope everybody's well. Take care of yourselves. And thanks for watching. Bye.